Hello, my name is KJ Fenton, and today I'll be narrating this demonstration showcasing how UiPath, in partnership with our silver partner Amplitude 9, can be leveraged to help agencies automate some of the more arduous steps in the onboarding process. Currently, our focus has been around UiPath's RPA platform. However, there's a more compelling story where one of UiPath's built-in integrations, DocuSign, allowing for further automation of steps during onboarding and other form-based processes. Let's see how this works. Before we see the automation in action, what we are seeing is Studio, the development-based IDE where individuals drag and drop activities to perform actions, which is how robots emulate human interaction and how we built this specific scenario. If you consider the number of forms that are required when becoming a new employee, like the I-9 and W-4 for example, the task of printing, signing, sending, etc., can be very tedious. Utilizing UiPath, however, we're able to kick off a process to go call on DocuSign to generate the forms with that create connection activity we see here that utilizes DocuSign's API and send them to the new hire to type in all their information and sign digitally on a computer or mobile device, which is what we'll see here in a moment. We will be using another UiPath sales engineer's name and fake generated data for this exercise. Now, let's run the automation. Once the automation is triggered, it takes Michael's information and drafts up the new hire contract as you see here and uploads this document in the background to DocuSign for Michael to sign and complete. The next portion of this demonstration is in fact completed by Michael to simulate human in the loop, and we will be discussing theoretical concepts until we trigger the next part of this automation. We would like to point out that we could schedule this automation handoff to be run unattended, meaning without a human actually triggering said process like we saw here, based on Michael sending an email to an inbox, for example. These various triggers can be used throughout the process that after completion of this initial offer letter, work back and forth in an automatic fashion to finalize the other documents that require signatures. Once completed, these digital forms are instantly submitted back to HR to process the next steps, which is typically entering the new employee's data into multiple systems. And using UiPath, as we can see here, the automation handoff is made to a robot to log into the different systems and automate that data entry, which can cut down on significant time for processing these steps while also eliminating any human error that can cause delays. In conclusion, UiPath can be leveraged to help agencies automate some of the more arduous steps in the onboarding process to allow the human workforce to spend time on much more meaningful tasks.